Hi, I'm Maxie Long with Shepherd & Long, and today we are talking about estate planning. Oftentimes it's very easy for people to put aside estate planning. They might think, I don't have enough money to make it worthwhile, I'm married, everything's going to go to my spouse anyway. And so it's really easy to think that estate planning isn't something that would be important for you or your family, but in fact it is, especially if you have young children. It's very important to have a will in place, and we're going to tell you just a little bit about some of the documents that we prepare for you when we do just a basic estate planning package.
Hi, I'm Kevin Shepherd, also with Shepherd & Long, and one of the things that we really encourage people is everyone, married or single, needs to have a will. And it's like Maxie said, many people think, why do I need a will? Well, there's several reasons. There's a lot of blended families now, so we have stepchildren and we have exes and things such as that. Or sometimes a person may have an adult child who has a drug issue or is just not good with money. So there's different techniques or things that you can do to have a will in place that will even protect your adult child from himself or herself. Basically, it would be a trust within the will where someone else manages the money for them to protect their interests. Another big plus about wills is that of getting a guardian named for your minor children. For example, what if both you and your spouse were to tragically and suddenly die in a car accident or some other misadventure? You want someone named and identified in your document that would step in to be the guardians of your children and the trustee to manage money and take care of those children. So wills are very important. They need to be done correctly. There are certain technical requirements that just need to be met. Don't cheat yourself and your family by trying to do one of the kits that you can get online. So many times people do not fill them out correctly and mistakes are made, and then your wishes are not taken care of. So at Shepherd & Long, we're here to help you put together a will. We have a very competitive pricing and package available for you. And I just want to encourage you, wills serve such a variety of needs for you and your family. And really your family will thank you after the fact that you took care of them in such a manner. But there's other documents that you need too. And Max is going to talk about some of those.
We also, as part of our estate planning package, prepare a durable power of attorney, which allows you to assign to a trusted family member or friend the ability to conduct financial transactions, business transactions on your behalf if you're no longer capable of handling those transactions on your own. Those can spring into effect either immediately after you sign the document, or they can take effect only in the event that you're incapacitated. We also execute living wills, advanced care plans that allow you to make choices about your end-of-life care, special burial instructions, and also to name someone to make those decisions on your behalf when you're no longer able to do so. And it's really important, Kevin, that people execute these documents while they're still competent to do so, because oftentimes we'll see people wait until the very end when someone is very ill, and at that point they may no longer be legally competent to execute these documents.
That's exactly right. Sometimes adult children want to bring in their elderly parents for a will, but they have Alzheimer's or dementia, and it's just really they're not competent to execute a will anymore. So these are things people should do in advance, and to make it easier for you while you're alive, but also for your loved ones once you're gone.